you're a returning subscriber, you know what to do. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and please make sure you slam that big red subscribe button and turn on post notifications by hitting the notifications bell and the giant thumbs up button. Today we will be making a red steam train. And please make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video to find out what we'll be making next week. Today's build will be in one part. If you have not seen our other videos, I've linked them up there. Right, let's get started. Alright, let's build the train. You're gonna take a 2x2 tire connector, a 1x2 tire connector, a 1x2 brick, a 2x2 tire connector, a 1x2 brick, and a 2x2 tire connector. You're going to take a 2x8 plate and stick it on top. Then you're going to take a 2x2 in the front, a 2x4, and then a 2x2 brick. Then you're going to take this piece in red. We do not know the real name, so let us know. Then a 2x2 plate, then a 2x3 plate, and a 2x2 brick. Now a 4x6 plate on top of those plates. You can make the train any color you want to. I chose red. Now, two 2x3s. There. These pieces, we do not know the real name, but we're going to just call them semi-circles. There. You're going to put a grill here in red, a 1x2, a 1x3 tile, going a 1x2 transparent clear brick, and on the other side a 1x2 transparent clear brick. Here a 1x2 transparent red plate, and then a 2x2 curved slope. Now what you're gonna do is I'm going to take the section off, this section. We're going to flip it over. We're going to take two hinges, light gray, and stick it there. Two dark gray plates. Now you're going to do this side. We're going to put a 1x2 grill in silver. A 1x4 tile in light gray. You're going to rotate it. A 1x2 grill in silver. A 1x4 plate in light gray. And now for the funnel. we're gonna take a stud in silver or dark gray, a stud in silver or another stud in silver or dark gray, and then a 1x1 brown tile in silver or dark gray. Now you're going to make the front, the cow catcher. You're going to take a 2x4 slope. Wait, hold on, you're supposed to you're going to put your 2x4 slope here on each side, a 1x1 round tile in light gray. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put a hopper plate in red, and then you're gonna put a 1x1 hinge. Then you're gonna attach that. That went flying. Now you're gonna take the train off, and you're gonna attach the cow catcher to this thingamabobber. Again, we do not know the real meaning. And there. But you're like, wait, how is it gonna move? That's where the tires come in. You're gonna take 4 tires without the tire. You're gonna take 6 of them without the rubber things around them. Oh. Put 3 on one side. Now you're going to flip it over and you're going to attach 3 tires without the rubber hinges. And there you have it, the red steam train. Now it's time to go choo-choo and deliver some goods. There you have it. I hope you like this build. As promised, we will be telling you what we'll be making next week. Next week, we will be making a, drum roll please, a surprise build. So make sure you come back next week to find out how to make the surprise build. That's all for today, folks. Creator out. Chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it. Chug it.